I be out in the streets, and I be out in the streets, boy. Out in the streets, out in the streets, boy. Out with, boy. Out in the streets, and I be out in the streets, boy. Out in the streets, and I be out in the streets, out with, out in the streets, boy. Hey, check it out. 7 days a week, it's only 7 ways that I speak. Fuck with me, it's 7 ways you're gonna leak. Listen, they tried to put me in the fucking position, but they beat me into submission. Hey, and I wasn't trying to do no bullshit, man. I ain't lying, dude. Look, they testifying, dude. Look, mama, I swear they lying, cool. It's all good, my lawyer gonna get him. Take that shit to trial, man. I'm just a victim, I'm not the criminal. Yeah, man, I'm just a real individual. Listen,
roll that 9 to 5, I'm a real man. You know what's up in my dark times. I'm in the streets, I'm slinging and I'm dealing and I'm killing and I'm smoking. That beat is fire and you know it. I'm a true foot soldier and you all feel it. Killing and I'm killing, yo, now I'm riding down to the Illinois, to the Linwood, to the AK, and I'm coming back to the GA. Riding down that 136, that 985. Oh, that triple O, you already know you get the whole.
me and mama don't cry when they sentence me to a bid. I know that this is not the future that you had planned for your kid. All the shit that I did, the mistakes that I made, got me stranded off in prison from the games that I played. I remember when you used to say that it's coming a day, it's gonna be out of your hands in the bed I make. I got the lay, now all I do is pray to the Lord for repentance. These crackers think that I'm just talking to them cause of my sentence. Ever since the cracker stepped up in to the pen, I knew that something had to be done about my sins, and all my friends, just like the wind, have come and gone. And my son needs to know his papa's a Rolling Stone.
Fuck! Rolling Stone, that 8-ball. I'm sorry, Dad, I light a stove from the heart, man. My soul is strong, I keep it riding, my heart is going. This pump, when I'm coming back, like click, clack, that's not my track. Coming back, and I'm going so fast, and I'm coming back, and I'm listening to it. Mom and Dad, I'm sorry that I did that drugs. I already know you stole my truck, I stole your truck, I wrecked it in that power pole. Then I went to jail, that's a fucking hell. 9 to 5, that's a jail if you not a rail. Doing it well, I'm smoking it late, I'm not staying, I'm smoking J. That's little ways, delayed. It's the devil way to get your soul and lay you in the grave. When you play it to the end of my time, ride or die, shine bright, you gonna die.
Justin, I'm trusting you doing good. I got nothing in this trailer park hustling. I can't afford a muffin, I can't afford nothing, but I hope that you doing better. Hope that your mama gave you my fucking letter. Man, I couldn't even afford a sweater in a world so cold, so I stay with that Beretta. Man, your daddy ain't gonna let you be a victim. Hey, listen, that's Justin Graze and I miss him. Hey, take you fishing. And I'm doing. Alright, I'm good. We done.